In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a website on Squarespace. Navigating website management can sometimes be a complex task, but with Squarespace, streamlining your website updates is relatively simple. Today, we'll walk through the straightforward steps to ensure your changes are saved correctly, so you can keep your site looking as polished and professional as you envision. First, let's start right at the beginning by heading over to your Squarespace homepage. This is the central hub of your website management, where you can access each component of your online presence. If you're not already logged in, be sure to enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're on the home page, the next step is to click on the Website tab. This is typically found in the main menu, which acts as a portal to all things related to your site design and content management. Clicking on Website will take you to a page where you can view and manage all of the different aspects of your site. Now that you're at the website overview, you'll want to dive into the editing mode. So go ahead and click on Edit. It's essential to be in this mode to make any alterations to your website's layout, text, or images. The Edit function is like the studio behind the scenes, where all your creative decisions take shape. Once you're in edit mode, you can make any necessary changes to your site. Perhaps you're updating content, changing photos, or altering design elements. Take your time here. It's important to make sure everything looks exactly how you want it before moving on to the final step. If anything seems amiss, you can freely experiment, knowing you haven't committed to the changes until they're saved. Finally, when all your updates look perfect, you'll need to preserve these changes. This is done by simply clicking on Archive. This crucial step ensures all your hard work won't get lost and that all adjustments are live and visible to your visitors. By saving, you've officially updated your website, linking your creative vision with public view. And there you have it, a quick and clear guide to saving your website on Squarespace. With these simple steps, you can continuously update and maintain a dynamic online presence, reflective of both your personal style and approaching a professional standard. As you continue to navigate using Squarespace, remember saving is key to ensuring every change you make is captured and reflected on your live site. That's all for today's walkthrough. I hope you found this guide helpful and you're ready to confidently manage the content on your Squarespace site.